There was an internet issue, I guess.
Yeah.
I had to disable the wireless, enable it. It worked.
No, I think it was Zoom, not your local one. Everybody, I also got dropped.
No, I had to end it. Maybe that's why.
Oh, you ended it? Okay, that might be the reason.
Maybe my laptop. Sometimes it happens. Internet.
Okay.
Okay. Where are we?
So I was just finishing up with that the last one.
Ye chemagama. Ye chemagam rudra abito dikshushrita sahasrasho vaishagum heda imahe. Did you hear me?
Okay. Yes. Ye chemagam rudra abhito dikshushrita sahasrasho vaishagum heda imahe.
Yeah. Shanti ji.
Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya.
Yes. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Namaste Rudramanyava Utota Ishave Namaha.
You said I heard. Namaste
Rudramanyava. Namaste Rudramanyava Utota Ishave Namaha.
Ishave Namaha.
Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha.
Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Bahubhyamutate Namaha.
Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Yata Ishush Shivatama Shivam Babhuvate Dhanuhu. Shiva Sharavya Yatavataya no Rudramrudaya. Yate Rudra Shiva Tanura Ghora Papakashini. Tayanastanu Vashanta Maya Girishanta Bischakashihi.
Tayanastanu Vashantamaya Girishanta
Vichakashihi. Tayanastanu Vashantamaya Girishanta Vichakashihi. Yamisham Girishanta Haste Bibarshyastave.
Yamishum Girishanta Haste Bibharshastave.
Yamisham Girishanta Haste Bibarshyastave. Shivan Kiritratan Kurumahigam Siv Purushan Jagat. Shivena Vachasatva
Shivena Vachasatva.
Shivena Vachasatva
Shivena Vachasatva.
Shivena Vachasatva Girishat Chavadamasi. Yathana sarvamicchagat.
Yathana सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुम्
यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगम् सुमना असत् अद्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहीगश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिताः सहस्रशो वैशाखं एडयीमहे.
Yeah.
Chandraji, can you read that Asavyastamro, that line? Only one line, that line.
असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशाखं एडयीमहे. The last two mantras in the word, can you do it? One that we did last week.
असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः.
अद्यवोचदधि.
Okay. अध्यवोचधिवक्ता
अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता. अध्यवोचत् अधिवक्ता. So if you split it like that. So
okay.
अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता.
अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहीगिश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्र अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशाखम् एडयीमहे.
Sunita ji.
अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक्.
प्रथमो.
अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक्. प्रथमो अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहीगश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिताः सहस्रशो वैशाखम् एडयीमहे.
Ashish.
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्याय तव तया नो रुद्रमृडया या ते रुद्र शिवा तनुरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुन् गिरिशन्ता हस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवान् गिरित्रतान् कुरु माहि गुंसि पुरुषं जगते शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्चावदामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहीगश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिताः सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेड ईमहे.
Okay, I wanted you to chant this, the last one, but that's fine. You did good. Okay.
Oh, really? I thought you wanted me to chant the whole
That's
thing.
okay. That's okay. Fine. Pravinaji, do the last Adhyavochat.
Adhya, okay.
अध्यवोचधि वक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहीगिश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत भभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिताः सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेड ईमहे.
ये क्षेमागं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागं हेड ईमहे.
ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिताः सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेड ईमहे. अभितो दिक्षुश्रिताः सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेड ईमहे.
Yeah. So previous mantra, we said it as a kavacha vakya, right? Adhyavocha divakta prathamo daibyo bishak. Then ahigascha sarvaan jambayant sarvas yatu dhanyah. Then in this mantra, asau, the devata, what we said was who? Remember the devata?
Adityatmaka Parameshwara.
Ah, right. Adityatmaka Parameshwara, because we are praising Rudra in various different facets of the sun, of Aditya, of Pratyaksha Daivam is Aditya, right? So that same Rudra that he praised, Asau, that Rudra that he praised in the earlier, right, is now being praised as the Devata in the form of a sun. And different phases. Tamra Varnaha, Asauyas Tamro, Aruna, right? Aruna, Tamra, Babru, golden color, Sumangalaha, who is auspicious. Tamra means red color. Different colors we see, right? Sun early morning. And then later in the afternoon, asau yasthamro aruna uta babru sumangala. And then Eda imahe. Edaha means in the Heda, anger, same. So if you that Heda as to our we pacify your anger, We pacify your anger. Who is Rudra? Who is spread all over? Sahasrasho vai shagum sahasrasa and dikshu shritaha. Dikshu, all directions. Shritaha, spread everywhere in several directions. Sahasrasha, many thousands of directions through sun's rays. So as if they're all Rudras, mini Rudras we can take. So we pacify the anger of all those Rudras. Okay, so that
Bhishagu mean, Chandrasekhar? What does that Bhishagu mean? The 2 lines above.
Doctor.
Prathamo
Bishak, physician, doctor. He is the doctor. I think we discussed it last time. Beshajam Bishak. So Vishnu Sahasranam also. So that's why the earlier mantra is called Kavacha mantra. Kavacham, a kind of a, what is Kavacham? A shield.
Which one is called the Kavacha mantra?
Adhyavocadadivakta prathamo daivyo bishak ahigascha sarva anjambayant sarva aschayatu dhanya. Okay. Asavyo vasarpati nilagrivo vilohitah. Asavyo vasarpati nilagrivo vilohitah. Sunitaji, you repeat. Asavyo vasarpati.
Asavyo vasarpati. Asavyo vasarpati.
Nilagrivo.
Nilagrivo. Nilagrivo.
Vilohitah.
Vilohitah. Vilohitah.
Asavyo vasarpati nilagrivo vilohitah.
Asavyo vasarpati nilagrivo vilohitah. Asavyo vasarpati nilagrivo vilohitah.
Utainam gopa.
Utainam gopa. Utainam gopa.
Utainam gopa. Adrishan udaharyah. Okay, hold on. Adrishan udaharyah.
Adrushan udaharyah.
Adrishan udaharyah.
Adrushan udaharyah. Adrushan udaharyah.
Utainam gopa. Adrishan udaharyah.
Utainam gopa. Adrushan udaharyah. Utainam gopa. Adrushan udaharyah.
असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः
असौयो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः असौयो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः.
With another line also is part of this mantra. It has 3 lines. Utainam up to Mrudayatinah. So we'll make that one mantra, right? Utainam Vishwa.
Utainam Vishwa. Utainam Vishwa.
Bhutani.
Bhutani. Bhutani.
Utainam Vishwa Bhutani.
Utainam Vishwa Bhutani. Utainam Vishwa Bhutani.
Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
Sadrushto Mrudayatinah. Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah. Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
Asavyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo Vilohitah. Utainam Gopa Adrishan Udaharyah. Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
Asavyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo Vilohitah. Utainam Gopa Adrushannudaharyah. Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
See the last line again. Utainam.
Utainam Vishwa
Utainam Vishwa. Utainam Vishwa.
Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
Hindi one, right?
Asavyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo.
Asavyo Vasarpati.
Asavyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo Vilohitah. Utainam Gopa Adrushannudaharyah. Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
After Utainam Gopa, little bit of a pause because Gopa, Pa and A is coming, right? Okay.
Oh, okay. Asavyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo Vilohitah. Utainam Gopa Adrushannudaharyah. Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrushto Mrudayatinah.
Krishna.
Asavyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo Vilohitah. Utainam Gopa Adrushannudaharyah. Utainam Gopa Adrushannudaharyah. उतैनं विश्वभूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः असौ यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वभूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः
आशीष
असौ यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वभूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः
दृष्ट सदृष्टो दृष्टो
सदृष्टो okay
was it good Indira?
I think that instead of da, Ashi, did you pronounce da? Adrasannodaharyaha. It is not, maybe in English it is da.
I did at first and then I went back and corrected it. But yeah, I think that, yeah. Adrishannudaharyaha.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think I said it incorrectly first. I just went back and did it again.
Udaharya means the women who carry waters. Udaharya means nomad. Some people nomads. They carry waters outside. Right? They keep on moving from one place to another place. Udaharya. And asavyo, that yo has to go up properly.
Okay. Asau yo vasal. Okay.
And then that gap also. Utainam gopa adrusan.
Oh, is there? Okay. Utanam after gopa.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Shanti.
Asavyo
vasarpati.
Asavyo vasarpati nilagrivo vilohitaha utainang gopa adrushanadrushanudaharyaha utainang gopa adrushanadrushanudaharyaha
Utainang gopa
adrushanadrushanudaharyaha utainam vishwa.
Instead of saying utainam, little bit of a nasalize.
Yeah.
Utainam vishwa.
Utainam vishwa bhutani sadrushto mrudayatinaha.
Sadrushto mrudayatinaha. Sadrushto mrudayatinaha.
Sadrushto mrudayatinaha. Utainam vishwa bhutani सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः उत्तैनं
You're saying bhutani.
yeah.
No, that's utainam. Continue.
उत्तैनं विश्वाभूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः
Pravinash.
असौ यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो
असौव्यो वसर्पति. असौव्यो वसर्पति.
असौ यो वसर्पति असौ यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः
नीलग्रीवो
विलोहितः असौ यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनौ विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः उतैनौ विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः.
How is it, Ashish?
It's sounding good.
Okay. Indivar?
I only felt difference only one place. Gra also is going Nilagrivo. I think even Gra also you added. Sorry, I haven't that. Nilagrivo Vilohitaha.
Nilagrivo Vilohitaha.
Yeah, this sounded better.
Okay. And Uttainau Vishwa, I don't think I did Udata on U. Uttainau Vishwa.
Utainau Vishva Bhutani Sadrishto Mridayati Naha. Utainam Gopa. Say that again.
Uttainam Gopa.
Utainam Gopa.
Uttainam Gopa. Uttainam Gopa. Uttainam Gopa.
Come to continue that.
Uttainam Gopa adrishannudaharyaha. Uttainau vishva bhutani sadrishto mridayati naha. Mridayati naha.
So if you notice, the two Utainam is slightly different, right? The first one is Utainam. The second one is Utainam. So the na is going down and the first one is going up. So there's a difference there. Utainam Gopa. And second one is Utainam Vishwa. So that's a minor difference there. Another one I would like to point out is that Adrishan. the Sha is going down and the next Dru should go up. It's not Adrishan, Adrishan. They both are sounding same when many people say this. So I think this is the correct one. And Chandrasekhar, you can correct me. Adrishan, Adrishan. So the Dru has to go up, right? There's Swarita there.
Yeah, Dru has to go. It is Swarita.
So
right.
Adrishan, Adrishan. That's why I'm reading this.
Yeah, correct. So Adrishan means Adrishan, Adrishan, 2 times. What is it? Drish, Drish, Adrishan. See. See. Gopa, shepherds. Shepherds, they saw. Udaharya, women, the women who were the nomads, they also saw. They are seeing what? The Pratyaksha Daivam, the sun. As if they are. And then Mrudayatinaha, make us enjoy the happiness. Sa, O Rudra, Sa Drishtaha, having seen that sun, let us enjoy Mrudayatinaha. Let us enjoy. May we have happiness. So, Rudra in the form, same. This mantra also, Rudra is in the form of Aditya.
So, Utainam stands for what? Repeat it. Utainam?
Uta means and actually. Uta and. Enam, Utainam combination. Enam means this Rudra that we are talking about. Uta Enam. Utainam. It will become Utainam. So this Rudra, Vishwa Bhutani, all beings, everybody is seeing that Rudra in the form of the sun, the Adityatmaka Parameshwara. So he is traveling. Asovyo Avasarpati. Avasarpati means moving, as though moving. Suppose sun, right? As though it is moving from east to west. Avasarpati. Asovyo Vasarpati. Avasarpati. Nilagriva. Nilagriva, you all know, right? Nilagriva.
Yeah. Having
blue neck.
Blue neck.
From the Purana, we have that story because of Shiva consumed that Alahalam. That is from the Purana, but in the Vedas, before Puranas, because of as though whole Vishwam is his form. So the sky is considered as his neck. So sky is blue, right? So Nilagriva. Okay.
And Mrudayati, what is Mrudayatinaha?
Mruda means enjoy happiness. Mrudayati, make us enjoy happiness. Make us, give us happiness. Naha, us, to us. Naha, to us. Because by seeing the sun, right? As though he is giving us energy to do all our things, right? Early morning it starts. It's a blessing as he travels in the form of Aditya. It's a blessing for us.
Adrisha is, why is it A there?
It is a Vedic usage as though it is seen, past tense.
Oh.
But it is actually seen, being seen, it is seen, is used as the past tense there.
So it is saying that the Gopas and the women carrying the water, they are seeing him as sun.
Because everybody in the world, it's a symbolic way of saying everybody is enjoying. Even that a simple Gopa, a simple woman who is carrying water, has the blessings of the Lord Parmeshwara in the form of Aditya. This is a symbolic way of saying all the world is enjoying his blessings. Right? So Gopa api adrishan, Udaharya api adrishan, Vishwabhutani api adrishan. Right? Everybody is seeing and enjoying. Vishwabhutani,
who are Vishwabhutani?
All the beings. Vishwabhutani, all the beings.
All beings. Okay, Vishwabhutani. Okay.
But specifically, that Gopa and Udaharya were mentioned because even the simple people like that, right? Having the blessings. All beings. Okay. Namo astu Nilagrivaaya Sahasrakshaya Nidushe. Namo, pause. Namo, Pravina ji do it. Namo astu Nilagrivaaya.
Namo astu Nilagrivaaya. Namo astu Nilagrivaaya.
Namo astu Nilagrivaaya.
Namo astu Nilagrivaaya.
Nilagrivaaya.
Nilagrivaaya. Namo astu Nilagrivaaya.
Sahasrakshaya Nidushe.
Sahasrakshaya Midushe. Midushe. Okay.
Sahasrakshaya. Sahasrakshaya.
Sahasrakshaya. Sahasrakshaya.
Midushe.
Midushe. Midushe.
Shanmukasha. Midushe.
Midushe. Sahasrakshaya Midushe.
Namo astu Nilagrivaaya Sahasrakshaya Midushe.
Namo astu Nilagrivaaya Sahasrakshaya Midushe. Namo astu Nilagrivaaya Sahasrakshaya Midushe.
Nilagrivaaya. That should not be there like that. Namo astu Nilagrivaaya. Nilagrivaaya. Grivaya. One no swara. Only la. Nilagrivaaya.
Nilagrivaaya. Nilagrivaaya. Namo astu Namo astu Nilagrivaaya Sahasrakshaya Midushe.
Sahasrakshaya Midushe.
Sahasrakshaya Midushe. Sahasrakshaya Midushe.
Atoye.
Atoye. Atoye.
After that, ye pause. Atoye asya.
Atoye asya. Asya. Atoye asya.
Satvanoham.
Satvanoham. Satvanoham.
Tebhyo karannamaha.
Tebhyo karannamaha. Tebhyo karannamaha.
Atoye asya satvanoham tebhyo karannamaha. When you combine satvanoham te, सत्त्वा नो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः
अतो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः
नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अतो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः
नमो अस्तु
नमो नमो
नमो नमो नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः
आशीष
From Atho, right? Atho ye.
Namo Namo astu nilag.
Namo,
Namo pause. Namo astu.
Okay. Namo astu nilaggrivaya sahasrakshaya midhushe atho ye asya sattva no hantebhyo karannamaha.
Ato ye also pause. After ye, before asya pause.
So ato ye and then pause.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Should I do the atoye line again?
Do the whole thing again.
Okay. Namo astu nilaggrivaya sahasrakshaya midhushe atho ye asya sattva no hantebhyo karannamaha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Krishnan.
नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अधो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः.
It is atho, tatha, atho, and then sattva no hantebhyo, no hantebhyo.
Okay. Namo astu nilaggrivaya sahasrakshaya midushe atho ye asya sattwano hantebhyo karannamaha. Namo astu nilaggrivaya sahasrakshaya midushe atho ye asya sattwano hantebhyo karannamaha.
Individual.
Namo astu nilaggrivaya sahasrakshaya midhushe. Namo astu nilaggrivaya sahasrakshaya midhushe. Atho ye asya sattwano hantebhyo karannamaha. Atho ye अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः.
Sunita.
नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः. नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः.
Shanti.
नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य
अथो ये
अस्य सत्त्वानो
हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः.
सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः. अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः. नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः.
So akaravam means akaravam I do, namaha akaran namaha. Akaravam means past tense again. Namaha, my salutations to tebhyah, to those people who sattvanoham, to the Lord's bhaktas, attendants, his Shivaganas, our Lord's devotees. To them my salutations, because they are always in his Lord's service, his bhaktas. Right? Bhaktagana. His gana, Shivagana means Bhaktaganas. They are in his service. To them my akaravan namaha, my salutations. Sahasrakshaya, one who has 1,000 eyes, like we have seen in Purusha Sukta. Sahasrashirisha Sahasraksha. Right? Nidushe. Okay.
Nilagriva means
Same, Nilagriva, blue neck. Griva means neck. 1,000 eyes, Sahasraksha. One who gives, Midushe, one who makes us happy or gives the desired objects, desired things for us. To him, our salutations. Okay, that's enough for today. Om Tat Sat. Okay, we'll have Gita now. Hari Om Krishna. Practice.
Yes, thank you.
And you can get the videos on the channel that I'm posting. Right? My YouTube channel is there. You can always go there and check practice.
Okay, thanks.
I think Indraji got scared maybe. She didn't join it. Okay. Who wants to do first shloka of Guru? Gita Dhyanam. No,
I
no
will
one.
do that. Nobody's coming.
Shall I try?
Try.
I'm just trying. I'm learning it now.
Please do it.
I don't know before, sir. ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्.
Good. Little bit of a tune, but you can pick up later. Amba tvāmanusandhadhāmi bhagavadgīte bhavadveshini. Shall we do revise again, or what do you think?
Last couple will revise and then.
From 9th, we'll do.
11th.
11th andi.
We already did up to 14, so we'll do 11, 12, 13,
11th.
14.
Sri Bhagavan Vach. Shruti ji, start.
I'll do the Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Yes, you can do that.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Ata Dvitiyodhyayaha Sankhya Yogaha.
Sankhya Yogaha.
Sankhya Yogaha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Ashocyananvashocastvam Pragyavadamscha bhashase.
It is Prajnanya. Prajna.
Pragyavadamscha bhashase. Gatasu nagatasumscha nanushocanti panditaha.
If they are decided to play the video, it will be Shantanu just Gata Soonscha. You will hear. Okay, so just you can be flexible there. Shanti ji, next.
Natve vaham chatunasam natvam neme janadhipaha nachaiva na bhavishyamaha.
Nachaiva na bhavishyamaha.
Nachaiva na bhavishyamaha. Sarve vayamatah param.
Sarve vayamatah param.
Sarve vayamatah param.
I think you are putting a Vedic swara on Va. As if it is going down. Sarve vayamatah param. One go.
Natve vaham jatunasam natvam neme janadhipaha nachaiva na bhavishyas nachaiva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayamatah param.
Pravina ji, the next.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति.
Sunita ji.
मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः तान् स्थितिक्षस्व भारत.
So matra, sparsha. That only up till there we did, right? So what is matra? Matra in Telugulo matra anta. Is it matra? Hindi matra.
Is it gap?
Yeah. Can you see the meaning? Gap. No, not that matra. Matra, sparsha, right?
Like a little matra is teeny something little.
Oh, anta matra. No.
Maybe not that. Like matra, like kshana matralo.
Oh,
Something like that.
Here a matra kaadu. Meaning everybody has his book, right? No? Everybody not well Gurudev's commentary.
No, I am only looking at the slokas. I'm not looking at any commentary.
Matra means a sense organs. Here, matra means instruments of experience. We experience. Sparsha means objects, sense objects. Sparsha, sprishati, that we contact with our sense organs. Matra, sparsha. Matra means here instrument of experience. Sparsha means sense objects. So we are always coming in contact. We are always coming in contact with sense objects. So the mind plus setup. Setup keeps changing, but we should not get upset because they are changing, right? So he's saying, Krishna is saying, Tam titikshasva, endurance. Develop that endurance, titiksha, right? Some healthy tolerance, because that is a good quality. Even for Vedanta, that's no we are in the way we are doing, right? In the Shat Sampatti, titiksha is one of the values.
Titiksha is one of them. Yeah.
So tam titikshasva, not grumblingly enduring, but healthy tolerance. Okay. Tam titikshasva bharata. Okay. So it's a mind adjustment process, because we're talking about anatma here. Anatma anyway will keep on changing, right? So develop endurance. Natve vaham jatu nasam. Sadhvi do it. Sadhvi wants to do it? Is Sadhvi learning?
Chandrakant, we are doing
We are done with that.
one now.
Oh, sorry. 15. Yam hi navyadayantyete.
Yam hi navyatayantyete. Oh, yam hi navyatayantyete.
Yam hi navyatayantyete.
Yam hi navyatayantyete.
Purusham purusharshabha.
Purusham purusharshabha. Purusham purusharshabha.
Samadukha sukham dhiram.
Samadukha sukham dhiram. Samadukha sukham dhiram.
Somrutatvaya kalpate.
Somritatvaya kalpate. Somritatvaya kalpate.
Yam hi navyathayantyete. Purusham purusharshabha. Samadukha sukham dhiram. Somrutatvaya kalpate.
Yam hi navyatayantyete. Purusham purusharshabha. Samadukha sukham dhiram.
Somrutatvaya kalpate.
Somritatvaya kalpate. Yam hi navyatayantyete. Purusham purusharshabha. Samadukha sukham dhiram. somritattvaya kalpate.
Because dukkha is the jiva mulya. If you can use, it will be good. Because after du, there is a visarga followed by ka. Dukkha. That's how. Hindi or not?
Yam hina vyathayam tyete purusham purusharshava samadukha sukham dhiram somrutattvaya kalpate. Yam hina vyathayam tyete purusham purusharshava samadukha sukham dhiram somrutattvaya kalpate.
Ashi.
Yam hi navyathyantyete purusham purusharshabha samadukha sukham dhiram somritattvaya kalpate.
Shruti.
Yam hina vyatayantyete.
Yam hi navyathyantyete.
Yam hina vyatayantyete. Purusham purusharshava samadukha sukham dhiram somrutattvaya kalpate.
Sunita.
Yam hi nau vyathayan.
Yam hi na.
Yam hi nau vyathayan.
Yam hi now, not now, it is na. Yam hi navyathayantyete.
Yam hi navyathayantyete purusham purusharshabha samadukha sukham dhiram somrutattvaya kalpate.
Shanti.
Yam hi vyathatantyete.
Vyathayantyete. Vyathayanti.
Yam hi vyadayantyete.
Not the tha.
Yam hi vyathayantete. Yantyete purusham purushashyabha. Yam hi vyatayantyete purusham purushashyabha samadukha sukham dhiram somrutattvaya kalpate.
Pravinaji.
Yam hi na vyathayantyete purusham purusharshabha samadukha sukham dhiram somrutattvaya kalpate. Yam hi na vyathayantyete purusham purusharshabha samadukha sukham dhiram somrutattvaya kalpate.
You might ask, sama dukkha sukham. How can dukkham sukham be sama? Right? Krishna is asking it. Sama dukkha sukham. Same samanam. Right? So their nature is not samanam. Sukham is different. When sukham comes, I will be happy. Dukkham comes, I will be sad. Their nature is different, no doubt. But my response is saying it is samam. Okay? Sukham means comfortable situation. Dukkham, how are you saying they are both same? Comfortable and uncomfortable cannot be same. But my response, because of the titiksha, because of the endurance capacity, I have developed that samanam with regard to my mental response. At the response level, not at the experience level. At experience level, everybody is dukkam kam sukham something different. But my response, how it is. How it is? Somrutattvaya kalpa. To that person, he can easily be a candidate for amrutatvam, he says. Sa amrutattvaya kalpate. For the highest bliss, immortality. Nasato vidyate bhavaha. Shantiji.
Did you call my name? Okay. Nasato vidyate bhavo.
Bhavaha.
Nasato vidyate bhavaha.
Na bhavo vidyate sataha.
Na bhavo vidyate samaha.
Sataha.
Sataha. Na bhavo vidyate sataha.
మీ బుక్ లో సమాహ ఉందా? లేదు కదా? గీతా వర్షన్ సమాహ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు తప్పు ప్రింట్ చేశారేమో. ఆ సమాహ ఇక్కడ సమాహ అంటే చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎర్లియర్ సమాహ వేరే. సతహ మీన్ రియల్ అని. ఉభయోరపి దృష్టోంతః.
ఉభయోరపి దృష్టోంతః. ఉభయోరపి దృష్టోంతః.
త్వనయోస్తత్వదర్శిభిః.
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 నాసతో విద్యతే భావః. నాభావో విద్యతే సతః. ఉభయోరపి దృష్టోంతః. త్వనయోస్తత్వదర్శిభిః.
నాసతో విద్యతే భావః. నాభావో విద్యతే సతః. ఉభయోరపి దృష్టోంతః. త్వన్వయోస్తత్వదర్శిభిః. త్వనయోస్తత్వదర్శిభిః. నాసతో విద్యతే భావః. నాభావో విద్యతే సతః. ఉభయోరపి దృష్టోంతః. త్వనయోస్తత్వదర్శిభిః. త్వనయోస్తత్వదర్శిభిః.
దర్శిభిః. One who sees, by the knowers of the truth. Shruti.
नासतो विद्यते भावः. नाभावो विद्यते सतः. उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः. त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Sadhi.
नासतो विद्यते भावः. नाभावो विद्यते सतः. उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः. त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Very nice.
नासतो विद्यते भावः. नाभावो विद्यते सतः. उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः. त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः. तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Sumita.
नासतो विद्यते भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Ashish?
No,
Did Ashish do it?
I haven't done it yet. नासतो विद्यते भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Hindi one?
नासतो विद्यते भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
All did, right? So this verse is or considered one of the most important. Shankaracharya gives a lot of commentary on this. But if the meaning sounds a little bit confusing also, right? Do you have the meaning? What does it say? Can somebody read?
I have a Telugu one, but Ashish has an English one, right, Ashish?
I can read.
Read.
Ashish, you have it?
No, Shruti read.
The unreal has no being. There is no non-being of the real. The truth about both these has been seen by the knowers of the truth, or the seers of the essence.
Explain what you understood.
That's why I told I don't have commentary. I have forecasted this problem will come.
Sounds confusing.
It means that we don't have any end.
We don't have any end.
It is the soul. I mean, whatever level we are, we have the next birth, and there is no end for the soul.
Okay. Okay, the unreal has no being. There is no non-being of the real. It sounds a little confusing, right? Okay, yeah, that's anyway. So basically this verse is talking about Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya. Everything that you experience is unreal. Only there is one Brahma, that is Satyam, and that is always real. And the unreal has no being. Unreal means the Mithya Prapancham. It really has no real existence at all. It is only borrowed existence. That is why from Brahman. That is why it's called Mithya. Okay, that we'll see more. We'll just chant one more. Maybe next time you can repeat. Avinashi tu tadvidhi yena sarvamidam tatam vinashamavyyasyasya na kaschit kartumarhati. Avinashi tu tadvidhi yena sarvamidam tatam vinashamavyyasyasya na kaschit kartumarhati. If I think tomorrow there might be practice, so if required, I will let you know if we have breakout rooms. Maybe 1, 2 or 3 shlokas, 1 or 2 shlokas maybe they might be do. I think they'll be using the video of Swamiji, and then after that, practice. So in practice, depending on number of people, we'll have breakout rooms. Then if you are available, I will ask the WhatsApp group. Okay. Maybe at 11:45 is a practice tomorrow. So I don't know if how many children will turn up in that. Okay, any questions? Okay.
If you need means when you are going to text us, Chandra. We will have class till 11:30. We don't know if teacher wants to talk in the class.
Oh, okay.
So if you let us know little ahead, so we will come.
Okay. You are available, right, Ashish? If it already.
So this would be tomorrow at 11:45.
Huh.
Yeah, that's fine.
We don't know how it go. Tomorrow is the first day, so it depends on number of attendees. Depending on that, we'll have breakout rooms.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll be available.
And we have 2 groups also, adult and kids separate.
Is it?
Yeah, I saw 2 separate links. For adults, there's a separate link, and for kids, there are separate links in the evening.
Okay.
I think adults group is using the adult satsang link, and if I'm not wrong, Sharmila's class link is used for all the kids Gita chanting.
Okay. I'll check that. We'll see. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet, Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Tat Sat. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Chandra.
Thank you, Chandra.
Thank you. Hari Om.